My name's Harry Whelan, and I'm the Bleezer Endowed Chair and Professor of Neurology here at Children's Hospital of Wisconsin. Ever since I was a little boy, I have been affected by the tragedy of the human condition. So I always wondered if there was some way to tap into a universal force for goodness, and then everything sort of led one step after another on from that. And I thought that perhaps I would go into neurology after I decided that it was a way to sort of reach the human soul by using the mind as a window to the soul. And of course, the brain is the window to the mind. So I went into neurology because of that. And I also always kind of wanted life to be an adventure. I always wanted to be a neurologist, and I always wanted to understand the link between the human brain and the mind and the soul, and that's why I went into neurology. And it wasn't until I started interacting with patients that I became aware of my love for children. And of course, then when I had my own two sons, I became completely enamored with the idea of taking care of little kids. Now I have 4 grandchildren, and I couldn't imagine doing anything but taking care of children with neurologic disease. The most memorable patient moment that I can recall is having a patient with a brain tumor thank me for being alive today after they had initially been told that there were no other standard therapies to help and that they had to just begin to make plans for the ultimate end of the ongoing progression of their cancer. And because we're doing research on new techniques, we were able to apply those new research technologies of laser-guided chemotherapy to provide hope for the patient who previously had no hope. And seeing them still alive today and being able to realize that I had a role in that makes me feel wonderful.